Hi Shukers, this is Mel from Purple Pepper Commerce, and today I'm gonna do a review for your product right here, which is an immersion blender. So what I actually did is pull up your ASIN here in Cerebro, and I've actually noticed that you're already ranking for more than 2,000 keywords, so that's a good job. That's a great start actually, but with our help, we can actually increase these numbers, so you'll get more sales and visibility for your product right here, which is an immersion blender. If you get to index more keywords, there will be a lot more traffics that your product will receive. So yeah, you should work on that. And also, just a few things that I would like to suggest for your listing right here. I've noticed that your pool is set up. You like have a listing health score of 10, so that's perfect. But there's still a lot of space that you can take advantage of where you can put more keywords. So take for example is your A plus content. I'm not seeing any crawlable text in here, and it's actually best for you to have at least 500 character crawlable text in your A plus content. And if you have a keyword list and there are keywords that you haven't used yet, you can put it in there too, so you can index for more keywords. Okay, and same thing if you have more keywords that aren't being used yet. Um, I would like you to take advantage of the 100 character limit for each banner in your A plus content and brand story. So as you can see, after I click this alt text magnifying glass right here, um, you can see that there are text behind your banners, and like I've said, they have 100 character limit. So instead of actually just doing a naming convention for each of the images right here, you can actually try doing a keyword research and then create a set of 100 character um, you know list of keywords that you can put in each banner, and surely your product in right here will get to index for more keyword. And yeah, I think that's it. If you wanted to discuss this further, you can go ahead and visit our website, which is purplepeppercommerce.com, and then you just have to click the let's talk button here, fill this one out, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. And yeah, I hope to see you there. Once again, this is Mel, and you have a good one. Bye bye for now.